Hello everyone, welcome to Vidhigya Explained series. The topic for today's discussion is Dhan Yojana, that is Pradhan Mantri Dhan Yojana. So why this was in news? Because the finance ministry data has revealed that deposits in the bank account opened under the Pradhan Mantri Dhan Yojana have crossed 1.5 lakh crore. So the deposits in the accounts opened under Pradhan Mantri Dhan Yojana has crossed more than 1.5 lakh crore. So this is the factual information you have to remove. So the performance of the scheme. So the number of total accounts under the in Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana stands for more than 44 crore. 29.54 crore Jan Dhan accounts were held in rural and semi-urban bank branches. Nearly 24.6 crore account holders were women. So this is the important. This is the important. So these are the factual information that you need to remember. And most importantly, this factual information, that is 1.5 lakh crore mark. About Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. So it was announced on 15th August 2014. It is a national mission for financial inclusion. Financial inclusion. What do you mean by financial inclusion? That is giving the financial facilities to the people those who have not easy access to the financial institution. For example, this deposit, credit, and insurance, micro insurance, microfinance, all this. So this is the financial inclusion. So by launching this scheme, the aim of the government was to empower the financially empower the citizen, or to financially or of the financial inclusion in the society, to ensure to financial services, the financial to ensure access to financial services, namely banking and saving and deposit account, remittances, credit, insurance, pension in an affordable manner. So this is the objective of Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, launched in 2014. Objective to ensure access of financial product and services, financial product, for example, saving and deposit facilities, and then credit, insurance, and all these facilities, pension. So at affordable cost. And second, use of technology to lower cost and widen reach. So use of technology was also promoted under Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. Basic tenet of scheme. Basic tenet: banking the unbanked. Banking the unbanked. So providing banking facilities to those people who do not have the banking, who do not have the access of bank. So that is opening a basic saving bank deposit account with minimal paperwork, relays KYC norm, KYC account opening in CAM mode, and most importantly, zero balance and zero charge. Zero balance account. Zero balance account. Second, securing the unsecured. Insurance of indigenous debit cards for cash withdrawals and payment at merchant location with free accident insurance coverage. So under this free accident insurance coverage of worth rupees 2 lakh, worth rupees 2 lakh. So two objective: banking the unbanked and securing the unsecured. So it says in issuance of indigenous debit cards for cash withdrawal and payments at merchant location with free accident insurance coverage of 2 lakh rupees. Now funding the unfund. Third is the funding the unfund. Other financial products like micro insurance, overdraft for consumption, micro pension. So under this, those people who do not till then had the access to government fundings from the informal source, they used to get loans or funding from the informal sources, that is money lender in their villages, and they charge high interest rate. They charge high interest rate. Therefore, funding the unfunded is also one of the important basic tenet of Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. Now, extension of Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana with new features. So there are more features added later. First, focus shift from every household to every unbanked adult. Now, earlier it was to every household. Now it has shifted to now every adult unbanked person, for every person having have age more than 18. Second, rupee card insurance. So free accidental insurance cover on rupee card. Rupee card. So it is on rupee card. Increase from rupees 1 lakh to 2 lakh for Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan opens accounts. Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana accounts opened after 28/8/2018. So this is rupee card insurance. Focus shifted from every household to every unbanked adult. Third, enhancement in the overdraft facility. That overdraft limit doubled from 5,000 to 10,000. Overdraft up to rupees 2,000 without condition. Increase in the overdraft. So there is a certain limit which you can as per your record, as per your previous bank details, previous bank record. So you can transact, you can get money to a certain limit. So now beyond that limit also, if you are taking money from bank, this is overdraft. So enhancement in the overdraft from 5,000 to rupees 10,000. And age limit has also increased for overdraft from 60 years to 65 years. Now more than people having more than 60 years can also can also avail the facility of overdraft. So these are some of the basic tenet or basic objective of Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. Now, 5 important questions related to this. Question number 1. Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana was launched in which of the following year? Option are 2014, 2015, 2016, none of the other. So the correct option is 2014. Question number 2. Which of the following launched Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana? You can guess. Ministry of Home Affairs, Ministry of Finance, Reserve Bank of India, none of the above. The correct option is Ministry of Finance. Question number 3. Deposits in the bank. Sorry, I mentioned it wrongly. So deposits in the bank account opened under the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana have crossed the how much crore mark? More than 2 lakh crore, more than 1.5 lakh crore, more than 3 lakh crore, none of the above. The correct option is more than 1.5 lakh crore. In the last question, the total number of Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan accounts stand at how many crores? 44, 50, 55, 60. The correct option is 44 crore. So on this topic, there are 4 questions, and because some of the points are subjective, for example, the points related to the objective of and the aim of this, so you can just learn that. So we have discussed everything related to Pradhan Mantri. This is one of the major scheme of the government of India. So this is an important scheme, and because of the COVID also, there was a transfer of money. Government was providing money and other ration, or you can say food facilities to the poor or the marginalized. Therefore, this scheme becomes important, and so you must remember the important information related to this scheme. So that's all for this session. Stay logical with Vidhigya, your best pal in CLAT Preps.